Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Khatm-e-Khawajgan. In this video, you will learn how to perform Khatm-e-Khawajgan. This Khatm Sharif is extremely important in helping to fulfill any permissible worldly or religious need. If possible, recite it daily. If not, then whenever you are faced with any difficulty. Inshallah, your need or dua will be fulfilled very soon. The Khatm Sharif is to be recited after Asr Salah in a state of ablution, wearing clean clothes and sitting in a clean place. The Khatm Sharif can be recited individually or collectively in a group. It is easier to recite in a group as the total quantity is divided amongst those present. Begin firstly by repeating Surah Fatiha 7 times with Bismillah each time. Surah Fatiha is recited as follows: Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Next, Durood Sharif is repeated 101 times. The Durood is recited as follows: Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina wa Mawlana Muhammadin Nabiyyil Ummiyi wa ala alihi wa barik wa sallim. Next, Surah INSHIRA is repeated 79 times. Surah INSHIRA is recited as follows: Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Alam nashrah laka sadrak wa wada'na anka wizrak alladhi anqadha dhahrak wa rafa'na laka dhikrak fa inna ma'al usri yusra inna ma'al usri yusra فَإِذَا فَرَغْتَ فَانصَبْ وَإِلَى رَبِّكَ فَارْغَب. Next, Surah IKHLAS is repeated 1000 times. Surah IKHLAS is recited as follows: Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ اللَّهُ الصَّمَدُ لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. Next, Surah Fatiha is again repeated 7 times, with or without Bismillah, followed again by Durood Sharif 101 times. After Durood Sharif, the following Kalimaats are repeated 101 times each. The Kalimaats are recited as follows: Ya Qadi al-Hajat, Ya Kafi al-Muhimmat, Ya Mujib al-Da'wat, Ya Hal al-Mushkilat, Ya Dafi' al-Baliyat, Ya Rafi' al-Darajat, Ya Shafi al-Amrad, Ya Arham al-Rahimin. Once you have completed the Kalimaats, you have completed the Khatm-e-Khawajgan. You are now ready to make your dua. Begin first by lifting your hands and reciting Durood Sharif as follows: Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina wa Mawlana Muhammadin Nabiyyil Ummi wa ala alihi wa barik wa sallim. Then call upon and praise Allah as follows: Ya Arhamar Rahimin, Ya Arhamar Rahimin, Ya Arhamar Rahimin, La ilaha illa anta, Ya Hannan, Ya Mannan, Ya Badi'us Samawati wal Ard, Ya Dhal Jalali wal Ikram. Then ask for your forgiveness and for the recitation to be accepted and errors pardoned. Ask for the total reward and blessings of the Khatm Sharif to be sent and presented to the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, to the Anbiya alayhi salam, Sahaba kiram, Tabi'in, Tabi Tabi'in, Shuhada, Awliya, Mu'mineen, Mu'minat, Muslimin, Muslimat, who have lived and are living and will live. Make a heartfelt dua for yourself and your family, remembering also your friends and colleagues and the Ummah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Once you have made dua, recite the following dua that asks for mercy, blessings, livelihood, safety from transgressors, and protection from your enemies. Unsurna fa innaka khayrun nasirin, waftah lana fa innaka khayrul fatihin, waghfir lana fa innaka khayrul ghafirin, warhamna fa innaka khayrul rahimin, وارزقنا فإنك خير الرازقين واحفظنا فإنك خير الحافظين واهدنا ونجنا من القوم الظالمين. Finally, end your dua with Durood Sharif and the praise of Allah as follows: وصلى الله على حبيبه محمد وآله وأصحابه أجمعين برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين. In the description there will be a link to the Khatm Sharif playlist where each part of the Khatm-e-Khawajgan is recited in its full quantity. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.